I'm not a heating and cooling guy, but if we can build, work on, and maintain race cars, we can clean out our air conditioner. This is the air conditioner at the house, and I try to clean this out every spring, and I missed the spring by just a little bit. This is July 22nd, Friday afternoon. It's gonna be super hot next week. I should have already had this done like in March or April, but I'm gonna do it right now because I've been kind of forgetting about it. And we're about to hit the hottest week that we've seen so far this summer. So this is easy to do. Let me flip this camera around. Before you get started, shut the unit off inside the house and come out here. See, this is the power wire. This is the power going into it. Come up here, open the little power door for your power, your fuse, and pull the fuse out so the darn thing don't come on. And don't forget to put it back in when you're done. It's Friday afternoon. I took off a little early today, and luckily it's cloudy and it's raining, right? It's okay, I shouldn't say it's raining. It's sprinkling, light sprinkles, and I'm okay with that. If it rains on me, I don't care, because it's gonna get hot. When this is done and goes away and the sun comes out, it's gonna get hot and it's gonna be nasty. And I'm okay to get wet and rained on to do this. So I do this every year. It's amazing every year you clean this and how dirty it gets just throughout the year. And it only runs, you know, it's only during the summertime. This isn't, you know, the heater is in the house. This thing just runs during the summer. And man, it gets gunked. Look at all that crud. And here where I live, you don't even see stuff flying through the air. It just sucks in there and accumulates, and you gotta clean it off. So, I mean, I guess, in my opinion, it's not terrible. It's just year to year, it accumulates this. So this is real easy to spray off. I got the garden hose out. I'm gonna stick it on the inside and spray it from the inside out. Right or wrong, I don't know. I'm not a air conditioner HVAC guy, but it works and it cleans them coils off, and that's pretty important. I'm gonna show you here real quick how it pushes this stuff off. I got on the shower mode. And from the inside out, it pushes that stuff off. Sometimes you gotta like run your hand across it and help pull some of it down. It takes a little bit, but like you get a little area like this, you just work it a little bit from the inside and it pushes that stuff out. And when it gets rolled down like this, you can start to see, the stuff that it's pushing off. And this is easy to take apart. There's just some screws. There's some screws around the bottom, screws around the top. Got a little tool there, a little nut driver that takes them off. It's real easy. I don't know what size that is. It's like I can't see it. It's kind of worn off. It's the red maroon size, whatever that is, like a 1/8 inch, I think it says. It's easy to do. You undo them screws, lay the motor out of the way, peel the side open a little bit, and just be careful with it. You don't wreck it or break it. But I'm gonna clean this up and then give you an after shot. I got this other side done. I thought while I got on this side and had a good spot to put the camera, I'd show the shower on the back side. And I'm gonna run my hand, I'm starting at the top, and run my hand, rub this along, and it peels the stuff right off. It helps a little bit with your hand. I'll show you. So it just rolls it up and pushes it off. I'm gonna go back to the top. I think that water got. Oh, that's my foot on the deal. Go back to the top, and you either go all the way down or just kind of go across the top and work your way down. Put Put on some old nasty socks and shoes. You don't get wet. It doesn't take long to do this whole job. Maybe it takes less than an hour. I've never timed it, but I'm pretty positive. Less than an hour is pretty easy. I get it's really bad right here, but it's over here, it's not too bad at all. This gunk that it pushes off, just some kind of, I don't know what it is. I'll maybe try to guess. Cotton and tree junk, I don't know. Your air conditioner will run better without it. Ask an air conditioner guy. He'll tell you. For sure gonna shoot my phone with water before I'm done with this. Looks pretty good. I bumped that camera again. So that's it. This whole side is clean. I got one more side to go. I'm gonna put all this, finish spraying the dirt off of this stuff and screw it back together. And that's it. Your air conditioner will be happy. All done and back together. It didn't take long. I looked on the front door camera. I grabbed the water hose to drag over here about 10:21, and now it's 11:07. So, you know, about 40-50 minutes. It's pretty quick. And that was, you know, messing with the camera and stuff. So I could probably do it in about 30 minutes. And that's it. It's nice and clean, and air conditioner will be happy, ready for the heat later today and next week. I got one other interesting thing to point out here. Where this unit, you saw how dirty it was? It's just sitting out here beside the house. This is the north side of the house. Obviously that's the west. There's trees, there's sky above it. There's a tree over here. Trees around here. This is the backyard. That's the east. So it sits out there wide open throughout the year, and it collects that much gunk. I clean that every year. That's how much the stuff you saw. It was cleaned off last spring, like for real last spring, April, May. I just got late this year. Now it's middle of July. I've got an air conditioner just like this, a little smaller, for my garage. And it's just right over here. It's strange because it's just over here on the south side of the house. And it's been installed since, okay, now take a look. There's a pocket back there. There's nothing, there's no trees. There's a tree over there. I don't even know if it's the tree's fault for all the gunk, but this air conditioner is back here. It's been installed since spring of '09, and I mean, you can see the outside of it. It's got a little bit of stuff, but it doesn't run near as much as the house air conditioner. This is just for my garage. I've never had to spray this out. For some reason, it does not accumulate whatever is in the air back here in this pocket. I don't know if it's the all three sides being sheltered, surrounded. I don't know. It's over my head, but I've never had to clean it. It's been there since spring, like May-ish of '09, and it's never been cleaned, and it works great. I've had it checked a few years ago. It's still super cold and works great. So I just keep an eye on the outside of the coils, and there's just a light haze of stuff. I'm sure it would wash off just like the other side, but the other side was obviously the house air conditioner was a different color. It had turned white and gray from all the gunk on it. This is not that way. It's got protection. I suppose it's from the house, but this is kind of something interesting I wanted to show you. That's all.